Hello there. So we are back with Google Calendar plugin. So earlier I have showed you how to create an event. So if you click on this button, you can see these are all the details for creating an event. But there are some instances where you have to quickly create an event without giving any details and all. So if you click on this button, you can see you can just give a title and we can create a event very quickly. So if I write quick event testing, and if I click on schedule, you can see that meeting is added. It's a quick event. So this will be displayed in our today's date with the time as well, because we haven't given in time, just a title. So you can see quick event testing. And if we click on it, we can update this as well. So you can update it to a new timing and all. You can give description as well. So this is how you create a quick event. And now there's one more functionality where if you click on this update to update it, you can see there is import event. So if we click on this import event, you can see we can choose a calendar from here. So if I choose, so I'll add a dummy calendar in order to test the import functionality. So if I click test cal, if I create it, so it will refresh. So that now the calendar is created. So here is the calendar, and if I click on this to update, I'll click on import event, then I'll choose that dummy cal, and then I'll choose a date for the event. If I choose it as 6, then the timing is 3, and the 6 and timing end date is uh, this is the 3, which is the start date, so end date is 4. And now if I click on import, you will see this same event will be imported to this calendar. So right now what we are accessing is our default calendar, which is support at rich7.com. So in this calendar you will be able to see all these events. But if I switch to another calendar, which is testcal, if I click on this, you can see all the events are changed. Those are all blank now, and you can see on the 6th of July there is one event created. So if I click on this, and this is also 3 to 4 that we have added for importing. If we click on it, you can see the dates are all given. You can update this as well. So what we did is we imported the same event from support at Rich7 to testcal. But if we go to the support again, you will see that event is still there. So we are just duplicating it from this calendar to another calendar. So if we go to the behind the scenes, first we'll see how we are adding a quick event. So if we go to workflow, so this is the API called quick add event, where we are giving ID as primary. This is the default calendar. And then we are giving the text, which is the title of the event, and then the access token. So from this you will be able to create a quick event. Then comes the import. So this is the API called import event, where it needs the ID of the calendar where it will be imported. So this is the drop down that you saw here. Uh, if you click on this import, you see this drop down. These are the list of calendars that I showed you earlier in another video, where I am getting a list of calendars. Just go through that, you'll be able to understand that. Then comes the access token, and then the start date time and end date time. I have given the format in this documentation. Then the time zone, we can use the element called Google Cal, which comes with this plugin, which has a property called current time zone. You have to set the time zone in the element. Then the iCal UID. So in every event, there is a iCal UID. So in this event that we have created, you just have to fetch the iCal UID from there. You can, if you scroll down, you can see this is the iCal UID. Just get that, and you will be able to import that whole event from one calendar to another calendar. So yeah, this is how you create a quick event and import an event to another calendar. Thank you.